Well, it's Domestic Violence Awareness Month, and SNN's Crystal Knowles speaks with the clerk of courts about the legal steps to take if you need help.
Abuse takes many forms. Nobody goes into a relationship expecting to live a life of domestic violence. But that's not the only type of violence out there. Sometimes a family member or a friend crosses that line. As Sarasota County's elected clerk of court, Karen Rushing, explains.
Well, we had about 1,200 cases last year in our fiscal year, which ended this September, and that is not specifically any one case because we have different kinds of domestic violence, but around 1,200.
There's a way to regain control of your life. Go to the clerk's office in your city and file a petition for injunction. It means the accused person cannot make contact with the victim.
Well, if they have evidence of the situation, for example, if an arrest took place or if there was a complaint filed with the sheriff's department, those dates and the documentation are very important.
But who should file a restraining order? Victims of domestic, repeat sexual, dating violence, and those hiding behind a computer can also get into trouble.
If it has to do with cyber stalking, then some of the data that they have collected from the internet is helpful for the court to review.
Once you file that petition, the clerk will notify the judge's office. A temporary injunction will be granted if necessary, and a notice of hearing will be sent out. Violators of the no-contact order can be charged with a first-degree misdemeanor. In Sarasota, Crystal Knowles.
Victims, it's not your fault.
SNN, Suncoast News Network.
Once that hearing is scheduled, the person who filed the petition must attend the hearing or the injunction will be dismissed.